Hi, I'm Scott DeBow. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tutorial of the RapidFix Dual Adhesive system. One thing that's unique about the RapidFix Dual Adhesive system, unlike traditional two-part adhesives, you don't have to use them together. You can truly use them separately, adhesive by itself or with the welding powder. What we have here is a rubber O-ring and a wood block, and I'm going to show you two different cases of how to use the products. First one with an O-ring. This one here, what we're going to do is use just the adhesive alone. Anytime you have two solid surfaces, metal to metal, plastic to plastic, in this case ends of an O-ring, you can use just the adhesive alone. And the way it works is you would take it, push them together, and eliminate the oxygen which bonds the adhesive to the material. So in this case, we're just going to put a couple little drops here on this O-ring. And another thing about the RapidFix Dual Adhesive is we guarantee it won't dry out in the bottle for at least 12 months. So we can sit here all day long and not have to worry about it drying out or hardening like a general super glue based adhesive. But as soon as we take those two sides, push it together, 1, 2, 3, wipe off the excess glue, and there you have it, just like that quick. Another thing about our adhesive, it's non-toxic. You can use it on plates, cups, things like that. It actually has an FDA certification, so very safe, non-toxic, can be used on virtually any type of material. Now, where the welding powder comes in is in a case on a wood block. If you would take the adhesive alone and put it on wood, only thing that's going to happen is it absorbs into the wood. So taking two pieces of wood, sticking them together, it wouldn't work. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to fill one of these little holes as if you misdrilled a piece of wood. So what you do is take a little bit of the welding powder, which is actually a glass silica, smooth it out, and then you're going to take the RapidFix adhesive, 1 drop, 2 drops, wipe off the extra adhesive from the top, and just like that, your hole's repaired. After 24 hours, you can drill it, you can tap it, you can sand it, you can paint it, you can stain it. Very versatile, very strong. So that's just two of the repairs that you can do with the RapidFix Dual Adhesive system. Thanks for watching.